Hey everyone, John Chow here from johnchow.com, and welcome to Driving with John Chow. Little overcast today, but still I think it's gonna be a good day. Today is the second last day of school for Sally. Tomorrow's the last day, it's a half day, and then off for school, and I guess that'll be another school year, and so we'll begin the summer vacation. Yes, I look forward to this every year because that is when I can truly experience the .com lifestyle. Time freedom, money freedom, and location freedom. During the time when Sally's in school, the location freedom is kind of a little restricted because, well, you know, Sally's going to school and I have to be here to take her to school every day, and so I'm kind of tied down to here. So the location freedom is kind of, a little locked down. But summertime, hey, we have a lot of trip plans this summer. We got places to go, and beginning this week, we're gonna be off to Marietta Hot Springs for a retreat, and then we'll see. It's gonna be cool. It's gonna be cool, and I guess that's what I want to talk a bit about today. A bit about the why we do what we do, and the motivation behind it. May motivate you guys a little bit, get you the little edge to push you forward. Because trying to start a business can be a lonely, stressful situation, and for most people, most people just can't hack it. They quit. That's what happens. So I think it's really important to establish why you're doing what you're doing. Like, why do you want to make money online? I mean, do you want to do it because hey, I see John Chow doing it, and he's living the .com lifestyle. That's what I want. But generally, that's not a big enough reason. I mean, it's a good reason, but it's not probably a reason that will push you through the hard times when they come. And the hard times, unfortunately, they will come, and they will test you. So it's in those times, a situation where you need to have really powerful, why are you doing this, to overcome the adversity you will face. And for me, well, it's basically, if this was just about me, because I wanted to get rich, I doubt I would do all this. Like, I don't really need a 5,000 square foot house, and I don't really need to send Sally to a $30,000 a year private school. Then that kind of, like, it was just me. Like, I'm okay. I just have a fancy sports car. It was just me. I just have a fancy sports car, and I live in some condo. Right? But it's not all about me. It's about my family, and that's my why. That's my why. That's why I do all of this. That's why, and there's a family that helps me traverse the adversity and keeps pushing me forward. So if you're doing it just for you, odds are you may do okay, but when something hits, when adversity comes, when bad news hits, just doing it for you will probably not be enough to get you through it. Right? So ask yourself, sit down, ask yourself, why are you doing this? Why are you spending all this time trying to learn internet marketing, trying to learn email marketing, trying to build a list? Why are you doing all this? And it's not the real reason. Like, or do you have some other deep down inside reason? Like a reason where you have to do it because not doing it is worse. Yes. If that makes any sense. If that makes sense. But yeah. So that's the way. So I guess really that wasn't very motivational, wasn't it? No, that was not. No, that wasn't motivation at all. So I apologize. So all right, for some motivation, why you want to do this? Because the payoff at the end is so worth it. Living the .com lifestyle is unlike any other lifestyle. I mean, of all the different types of life you can possibly live, time freedom, money freedom, location freedom. That's it. Like I said, during the time studying in school, I'm kind of tied down to location, but at least she has some vacation and spring break and winter break and the fall break. So that we have all these breaks in between. So, but for the majority of people, their location is tied down to work, and they only get like 2 weeks off a year. So I can see that could be a big why for a lot of people. And but to have total location freedom where you can travel anywhere in the world. And honestly, there is nothing better. There's nothing better than waking up in the morning, firing up your stats, and see that you made several $1,000s. And this happens to me a lot of time. I used to do videos showing that, hey guys, I just woke up, look at this, I made over $10,000 while I was sleeping. There's no better feeling than that out there. It truly is amazing, and I want this so badly for you guys. So badly for you to experience this. And this is actually one of the reasons I actually do what I do, because you hear the old saying, "Is lonely at the top." Well, it is, and we want more people at the top so we can hang around and hang out and have fun, network and travel the world, that kind of stuff, right? So the internet is what allows me, and what could allow you to live this type of lifestyle, right? An internet business is by far the best business you can start of any other business out there. You can start any business, mom and pop business, bricks and mortar business, but internet business, you look at the advantages. Low startup costs compared to any other business. Low startup costs. You can work it from anywhere in the world. That gives you the location freedom. Whereas a typical business, like these businesses all around me, they're tied to this location. But an internet business, I can run from here, I'll run it from the retreat, I'll run it from Vancouver, I'll run it from Europe. It doesn't matter. All I'm asking is the internet, I can run it. Right? And the location freedom is by far the best. And the internet business, you can automate it. You can automate it. My business is fully automated. It's what allows me the time freedom. When someone opts into my list, the automatic email autoresponder kicks in, pushing for the sales funnel, pushing for the affiliate offer, the product delivery, everything's automated. I just make the money. Compared to any other business or anything I should be doing, this is it, right? So how do you get started? Well, basically, you need an email list. Start with that. you need a blog. So you need a website. Go HostGator, get set that up, and make your first blog post. Great content. That's basically that's how I started, and that's how you should start too. All right. Okay. So hope that motivated you. If it did, give me a thumbs up. If it didn't, give me a thumbs down. Okay, so we'll leave it at that. All right, JohnChao@JohnChao.com. Thank you very much. See you guys next time.